Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we're going to be doing a small upgrade on the Camaro. Okay, so this is what we're installing today, a set of LED signal lights. And here's the seller. Normally I wouldn't mention the seller, but I ordered these on a Monday and I had them on a Friday, which is pretty fast for anything from eBay. Usually I wait 2 to 3 weeks for anything I order off eBay. Okay, so here's the signal lights. I got the clear version, but you can also get them tinted. I should mention BH Camaro, because that's where I first seen them. He put a set on his car. But anyway, we'll get under the car and we'll install these. Okay, to do it from the bottom, you got to remove several 10mm bolts and then remove these panels. Okay, so once you get all the bolts removed, you can just pull this panel out. There's a couple clips over here. Okay, and there's the signal light. I think they're probably either a 7 or 6mm. There's 3 bolts. Okay, so they are 7mm. Okay, so once you get them 3 7mm bolts pulled out, you can just lift the light up and okay, so they are a bit of a pain to get out, but they will come out. Okay, so we've got the new light. We'll peel the plastic and just take it, feed it in here. Okay, you just need to replace the 3 7mm bolts. Just tighten them down. So once you get your 3 7mm bolts back in, it's time to hook them up. Okay, so your side marker, you just pull the bulb for your signal light. This big one goes into your signal light. I don't know if they're polarity sensitive or not. I'll have to test that out. Okay, so before I plug them in, I'll put a little dielectric grease in it. I don't give you very much cable. So we got that one. Now, the third one's for a resistor, because it's LED, it needs a resistor. Okay, so we got the resistor hooked in. I'm just going to test it now. Okay, once you have them all installed and you've tested them, you want to test them because this one here is polarity sensitive. The other one I don't think is, but this one here is. And then once everything's installed, you got to mount your resistor, and it comes with 2-sided tape. So I'm going to mount mine right here. So I'm going to clean that a little bit with alcohol. And you can just peel the backing off the tape. I think right here would be a good spot. Okay, so I'll do the same with the other side, and then I'll put everything back together, and then I'll show you what they look like. Okay, one thing I should mention is with the car not running, the signal lights no longer flash, whereas with the factory ones they did. But the hazard lights still work. Turn them on. They still work with the car off. But to get the signal lights to work, you got to have the car running. Okay, so here's what they look like when they're off. Here's what they look like when they're on. And here's what they look like when the signal light's on. Anyway, guys, pretty simple job, really. These are a little pricey. I spent, after tax and shipping and everything, it was $275 Canadian. I do like them, though. I think they look pretty sharp, and they make the car look a little more modern. Anyway, guys, hope this video helps somebody out, and we'll catch you in the next one.